Right, we're here today with Andrew from Mobi Indonesia to talk about mobile marketing and some things that he's learnt and found interesting at this summit.
This is a very, very fantastic event indeed. The environment is very, very turbulent, and I like the atmosphere as well. And people here are gathering are very, very much informal, and we would like to do it from time to time again. Okay.
What are your main challenges in the near future?
Right. The main challenge is how do we transmit data also in mobile industries with broadband capacity. So that's the major outcomes at the moment that we need to challenge.
Now, there are plenty of solutions out there. What do you like about the IPX solutions?
Yeah. One of the best service that IPX provides at the moment is its versatility. Not only the coverage, but also the medium as well. So we are covering about more than 20 countries at the moment, and that's very, very good in our business.
How can IPX help build your business?
Yeah, providing the broadband and very good mobile capacity and networking, as well as challenging and multimedia near real-time, if we don't say real-time interaction between users.
And how do you think the market will develop next year?
Oh, definitely, market will pace up with us because, well, one key feature is for sure is the social media helping us boost the traffic of internet mobile as well as the mobile industry. And the last but not least is banking as well as niche and focus market in the mobile industry itself.
And what do you see are going to be the coming issues or trends in the market?
The trend in the market still the interaction between peer-to-peer and one-to-one as well as business-to-business and business-to-customer market in mobile industry.
And what did you think of this event?
This event is very, very fantastic. The event is very good. The atmosphere is very high. I'm exuberant, and I love to see it again from time to time. Hope you can next week then.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks very much indeed.
Good.
Okay,
Great.
thank you.
Thanks, Andrew.
All right.
We are here today with Ricky Santoso from Saroni Mobile International.
That's right.
They specialise in helping companies use mobile internet marketing. And he's going to tell us a little bit about Indonesia's FMCG industry and some of the innovations they're bringing. Would you like to tell us more, Ricky?
Yeah, what we do right now is helping the fast-moving consumer goods to learn the market behavior in Indonesia right now, because the diverse industry in fast-moving consumer goods and the diversity of our culture does need the more information, more accurate information. So we are monitoring the buying behavior, the demography, and the distribution level, time to market, because the time to market in Indonesia does takes quite some time to penetrate.
What's an example of an actual application you use to do that?
So we implement what we call packaging identification numbers. In each packaging, we actually have integrated the packaging identification number from each packaging of a product, and when we distribute to the market, and the people who has this product can text this PIN number, and basically they can get the more information about the product. They can get more benefit from texting this PIN number. And by doing so, we identified who sent the message, and we know where the product goes. So basically, we're following the product, where it goes to the market.
So you can see how quickly it's moving out across Indonesia and where it's going.
Exactly.
Any interesting things you found that you didn't expect would be happening?
Oh yeah. We have been several companies that has been interested in our technology and integrating their production lines with our product, with our packaging, and the solution that we are providing with Smile Interactive. So basically, we become the customer relationship management company for their product. So when we help them monitoring their product, we interact
with the customers.
With the customer itself.
Interesting.
So that's what they are expecting from us, to learn more about the customer behavior.
So using mobile technology to help companies find out where their products are going and who's using them in Indonesia. Very interesting. Ricky, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Right, we're joined here today with Rico France He's the country marketing manager of Citibank in Indonesia, and he has some very interesting insights on what's happening with mobile marketing. So, Rico, tell us what's happening.
Yeah, basically in terms of mobile marketing, I would say that the field is progressing very fast, and we are, I would say, still in infant stage in terms of leveraging the mobile marketing the way we should be. So we have been doing this for a couple of years by now, but I believe in the near future the technology will be evolving very fast, and we should be taking advantage of it.
Of course, now that people have smartphones which show videos, there's a whole lot more things that you can do. What are you thinking about internally?
Yeah. What we have been doing right now is we are connecting and engaging with our customers. I think this kind of technology will be coming up soon. I believe it will enable us to do much more engagement in much more intimate way with our customers without being very intrusive to them.
Of course, customers sometimes don't trust emails, but they trust text messages on their mobile phone. Have you found there's any kind of thoughts about that from your customers?
That's partly true, I believe. The way that, yes, in email we know spam, but SMS is, so we have to use it wisely. People will read SMS definitely, but if we keep sending irrelevant email messages to them, there's something which is also annoying for them. So as the sender of the message, we have to be also conscious about it.
Now, some banks I know in Asia over the last 12 to 18 months have started sending notifications when a large amount of money comes into the account or a large amount of money moves out of the account. They're also sending, when they send that notification at the bottom of the message, they're using that space to then give a marketing message like, oh, would you like a platinum card? You've been pre-approved. Tell me about how these sort of offers are working.
Yeah, that's a very, very, very good way of doing things. But again, the key message here, how can you actually segmentize and personalize the message so it becomes relevant? So if you are the type of platinum customers that have not been offered as a platinum customer, then that message may be relevant to you. But if you have already had that, we should not send that message. So this kind of detail in term personalization will make the message very relevant.
So it's important to get the back end right.
Yes.
On your data warehousing systems.
Of course, that's definitely true.
Now you've been doing this for a short while. Are there any lessons that you've learned in using mobile marketing?
Okay. Lesson number one is basically this is a very scalable. So we really like the platform in a way that it gives us the economies of scale to reach our customers. Second, lesson number two is that we have to be careful in terms of what we are sending, what we are delivering in terms of delivering the message, as well as we have to keep learning, testing before we come up with the right formula on how to reach customer and engage with them.
Any one example of something that the customers do like that is working?
Yeah, the one that you mentioned just now, the alert, people really like it because coming up from an institution like banking, this kind of things, building a peace of mind to customers. So whenever you swipe your card anywhere, then you know that somebody is watching you in terms of mitigating the fraud to your account kind of thing. So this kind of thing is a hit to our customers.
And at the moment it's transactions, but are you doing marketing messages at the bottom of those, or your marketing messages separate to those transaction text messages?
We are currently doing what we call separate because the ability of having this combined is something that we really need to build. So the personalization is something that we need to develop in the near future. So how can we write the process-related message with marketing message? Something, which idea that we need to build some more on that.
Fantastic. Well, look, it's a very interesting market and a very interesting way for banks to talk with their customers. It's a new channel that hasn't been explored very much, and I think we're going to be seeing more of it.
Yeah.
Great. That was, thank you very much.